how to apply for a student USA visa. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to successfully apply for a U.S. student visa, specifically the F-1 visa, for studying at an accredited institution in the United States. This guide is designed for international students aiming to pursue their academic goals in the U.S., and it will provide you with clear, actionable steps so that you can navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. The first step is to secure your place at a U.S. school. Once accepted, the institution will issue an I-20 form, which you will need to apply for the visa. Next, you'll pay the SEVIS fee, which funds the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, a critical tool for tracking students and exchange visitors. After that, you can begin your visa application process by filling out the DS-160 form online. This form is the official non-immigrant visa application and requires personal details, travel history, and the purpose of your trip. Once completed, print the confirmation page with the barcode for your interview. Now, schedule your visa interview. U.S. consulates and embassies around the world have specific appointment scheduling procedures, so be sure to check the website for your local embassy for accurate and updated details. At your interview, you'll need to present several documents: your valid passport, the I-20 form, your DS-160 confirmation page, the SEVIS fee payment receipt, and any financial documentation proving you can support yourself during your stay in the U.S. This could include bank statements, affidavits of support, and tax returns. It's also important to be prepared for questions about your study plans and ties to your home country to prove your intention to return after completing your studies. Once you've submitted all required documents and completed the interview, the consulate will notify you of the decision. If approved, you'll receive your visa in a few days to a few weeks, depending on the processing times. With your visa in hand, you're now ready to travel to the U.S. and begin your academic journey. This process might seem overwhelming, but with careful preparation and the right documentation, you can successfully navigate it. Stay organized, follow the steps, and make sure you have everything in order before your interview. That's all for today's guide on how to apply for a student U.S. visa. Best of luck with your application, and we hope you achieve your study goals in the U.S.